Students, let's begin the topic causes of pollution. I'm reading this, listen to me carefully. Most waste ends up being buried or piled up in big heaps. It does not look pleasant and is not good for the health. Some of it attracts microorganisms, flies, cockroaches, and rats, which can also spread disease. We are polluting our planet by activities which produce very harmful substances. These substances can make the air, land, and water dirty and impure. In this paragraph, we are reading about causes of pollution, that is telling us that our procedure to deal with the waste is not going in a right way. We throw garbage anywhere, on the street, on main roads, and in our sewage lines that block our sanitary system. The heap of garbage attracts insects and flies that spread viral diseases in the air which we breathe in. So we should know the main reasons or causes of pollution and try to avoid these types of activities in our daily routine. I hope you will understand it. Thank you. Next topic is types of pollution. There are three types of pollution: land pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. Today we are going to learn about land pollution. Firstly, I am going to read this, then we will discuss over it. Land pollution. When waste is not disposed of properly, it causes land pollution. Land pollution is the pollution of the earth by solid and liquid waste, which is produced as a result of human activities. Causes: chemical waste produced by factories, human sewage, dumping of litter on the ground, overuse of pesticides and herbicides, and construction debris are some of the causes of land pollution. Effects: land pollution not only damages the soil, it also has very harmful effects on the entire ecosystem. When toxic chemicals are dumped onto the ground, they get absorbed into the soil. From there, the roots of the plant absorb these poisonous chemicals. These plants are then eaten by herbivores. Herbivores in turn are eaten by carnivores and human beings. In this way, these toxic chemicals are transferred from one living thing to another. So students, let's have explanation about this topic. Firstly, I am going to tell you that land pollution is produced by human activities. Means we produce land pollution. How? In this way that the waste coming out from factories, the sewage line which we use in our daily routine, throwing garbage on ground, uses of pesticides. Pesticides are medical chemical which we provide to kill all the insects from our fields and crops, and herbicides in the extra large amount we use in our fields and in our crops. While constructing any apartment, any society, any of project, the large amount of debris are compiled. In this way, we produce land pollution. And the effect of this pollution is, these causes is that this land pollution damage the soil. When the soil is damaged, the entire environment, ecosystem means the whole environment, get disturbed. How? Toxic chemicals means poisonous chemicals are absorbed into the soil, and the roots of plants absorb that poisonous chemical, and our herbivores eat dead plants and we eat herbivores. So in this way we eat that poisonous chemicals in our daily routine. So land pollution basically affect us. So we should do some reducing things against this, and we should reduce the land pollution around us. I hope you are understanding my point. Thank you.